In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a folder in Zoho WorkDrive, a task that, at first glance, might seem a bit daunting, but becomes effortless once you know the steps. If you're organizing your digital workspace or need to clear out old files, then stay tuned as I guide you through the process from start to finish. Let's begin by accessing your Zoho WorkDrive account and navigating to the My Folders section. Here, you're presented with a list of all your folders, each accompanied by helpful details like their names and the last time they were modified. This information is particularly useful for identifying which folders you might no longer need. Once you locate the folder you wish to delete, you're ready to move on to the next step. To delete the folder, hover your cursor over the folder name. You will notice a small checkbox appear on the left side. Click this checkbox to select the folder. Now, take a glance at the top of your screen, where you'll see a menu bar with several options. One of these options is the delete icon, commonly represented by a trash bin symbol. Go ahead and click on this icon. A confirmation dialog box will then appear, asking you to confirm if you're sure about deleting the folder. This is an important step, as deleting a folder is permanent, and once completed, it cannot be undone. Therefore, double-check to ensure you're selecting the correct folder. If you're certain this is the folder you wish to remove, click Yes or Confirm to proceed. Congratulations, you've successfully deleted a folder from Zoho WorkDrive. The folder is now moved to the Trash section. This final section serves as a temporary holding location for your deleted folders, offering a window of opportunity to recover them if you realize you've deleted the wrong one or change your mind. Let's review some additional helpful tips to enhance your experience with Zoho WorkDrive. Consider setting regular intervals to go through your My Folders section. This practice not only helps in maintaining an organized workspace, but also prevents unnecessary clutter, which can bog down your workflow. Additionally, always remember to periodically review your trash section to ensure any unneeded data is permanently deleted or to recover anything you might need. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to delete a folder in Zoho WorkDrive. I hope this walkthrough has clarified any uncertainties and that you're now equipped with the knowledge to manage your folders efficiently. As you continue to navigate and utilize Zoho WorkDrive, you'll find that maintaining a clean and organized digital workspace can significantly enhance both productivity and peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Zoho experience.